Hi everybody, it's Ginger with Marvelous Mouse Travels, and today I'm going to take you on the most magical flight on Earth, the Disney Skyliner gondola system. This new mode of transportation offers non-stop flights to Epcot and Hollywood Studios, so come with me as we check it out. The Disney Skyliner system debuted in September of 2019 and added another transportation option between Hollywood Studios, Epcot, and several on-site Disney resorts, including Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, Disney's Riviera Resort, Disney's Pop Century Resort, and Disney's Art of Animation Resort. The gondolas can seat up to 10 guests, are wheelchair accessible, and can also accommodate most single strollers without requiring that they be folded down prior to boarding.
We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights to Epcot International Gateway, Disney's Pop Century Resort, and Disney's Art of Animation Resort. We hope you enjoyed your visit to Hollywood today. Now wave goodbye to your adoring fans below. Bye! Bye!
Yeah, we only had to go.
Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your step. Thank you for flying with us. Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que las puertas se abran automáticamente. Al salir de la cabina, por favor, cuide a sus pequeñitos, reúna sus pertenencias y observe sus pasos. Gracias por volar con nosotros.
When traveling between Hollywood Studios and Epcot, you need to make a stop at Caribbean Beach Resort, which is home to the main Skyliner station. Here you'll be able to switch between the Hollywood Studios line and the Epcot line. You can also stop to use the restroom, as well as even grab a cup of coffee. We're now on the Epcot line on our way to International Gateway. If you'd like to see my full resort tour of Caribbean Beach, which you see below us, I'll link that in the description below.
Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, home to a collection of tropical villages inspired by the colorful architecture and lifestyle of the Caribbean islands. In just a minute, we will be arriving at Disney's Riviera Resort, a Disney vacation club that celebrates the relaxing seaports and romantic vistas of Europe's Mediterranean coast. Ciao, bonjour, and bienvenue. Hello, and welcome to Disney's Riviera Resort. If you are traveling to Epcot, please remain on board. Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your step. Thank you for flying with us. Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que las puertas se abran automáticamente.
If you're traveling to Epcot from Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort station, then you don't have to disembark here at the Riviera station. However, if you're staying at Disney's Riviera Resort, then it's awesome to have the convenience of your own Skyliner station right at your resort. There's even a covered walkway. I love Disney's Riviera Resort, which is the newest of Disney's on-property resort hotels. If you'd like to see my full video tour of this beautiful resort, I'll link that in the description below. On our left, we can see the Tower of Terror at Disney's Hollywood Studios, and to our right, we can see the tops of both the Walt Disney World Swan and Dolphin hotels.
We are on our way to Epcot International Gateway. When we arrive, remember to use your My Disney Experience mobile app or visit a FastPass Plus kiosk to review your worldly itinerary for the day.
We're now approaching what looks like it might be another Skyliner station where you could disembark, but actually it's just turning us to send us towards Epcot. As you can see from the gondola approaching us, some of the gondolas have character decals on them. It's really fun to ride in a gondola that has a character decal. However, it is a little bit easier to see and record video out of the ones that don't. On our right, we can see Spaceship Earth over the top of the trees. On our right, we can see the expansions being made to the France Pavilion and World Showcase. Very soon, this will be the entrance to Remy's Ratatouille Adventure, which is the newest attraction coming to Epcot. We're now approaching the Skyliner station at International Gateway. International Gateway is essentially the back entrance to Epcot, where you can enter the park in between the UK and France pavilions of World Showcase. Or you can also get off at this station if you want to make your way over to Disney's Yacht or Beach Club resorts or Disney's Boardwalk for some dining, shopping, and entertainment. And that was our ride on the Disney Skyliner between Hollywood Studios and Epcot. As you can see, the Skyliner system is not only very picturesque, it's very efficient. I cut out very little footage of our ride, so you essentially got a real-time view of what it's like to travel between those two parks using this system. The Disney Skyliner system is an excellent option if you're staying at Caribbean Beach, Riviera, or Pop Century and Art of Animation, which you see these gondolas heading towards here over the beautiful Hourglass Lake. If you'd like to see my full video tours of Pop Century and Art of Animation, I'll link those in the description below. And if you'd like to plan a stay at any of the resorts that were mentioned in this video, my vacation planning services are free with a booking. Again, I'm Ginger with Marvelous Mouse Travels. Thank you for watching.